What's cracking with it, y'all? This your boy Nephew from the Making Sense Show. I appreciate y'all hitting that play button. Y'all know all we do is make it make sense, baby. So today I'm gonna deliver to y'all a movie scene that's in this movie that I so love dearly. You know, I watch this movie over and over. I'm a big fan of The Hominus Nocturna. Let's say that, just to give y'all a little clue. I feel like a lot of people need to hear this and see this particular scene in this movie to give them some enlightenment about themselves. I feel like every individual who out there who feels lost, who feels bound or enslaved by anybody or any circumstance in their life needs to hear this. At the end of the day, y'all know all we do is make it make sense. And at the end of the day, we can be slaves or we can be gods. Let's get it.
Is this what you want? I've lived by their rules my entire life. I've protected them, envied them. And for what? To be treated like an animal. We are not animals! We do have a choice! We can choose to be more than this! We can be slaves! Or we can be like us!